there.
And of course, a little bit more sugar. And just stir it up. Now, if this ain't good, I blame it on the dog. Ren did this. Yeah.
When it's hot days, like summer days like we're having right now, cold food is always preferable. Salads, light salads and things like that.
How's that look?
It looks good.
Does that look better?
Yeah. That don't look dry at all.
No.
Taste testing time.
You can add salt and pepper. I don't cook with salt. I think it's perfect.
Now it's seasparkles time to taste test. Yummy. Give it a try. For one of our summer salad recipes, Doris's famous coleslaw. Thank you for watching Seasparkles Corner. Give it a try. Enjoy. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Love you. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. You guys mean everything to us. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Here, you can try it all. Does it taste okay?
It's delicious.